So this is a book by Seth and Godin. So guys, so what does this book say? Now, what does the book say? So it says that, if there are these black and white cows, no one will notice them. Okay. But if there is a purple cow, so everyone will take notice, yes or no? So that is the key. They said that they actually painted a cow purple, and for how much time people watched that cow? वो कहते ये क्या हो रहा है? 20 minutes. People were looking at the cow for 20 minutes. So they actually did an experiment. Okay. So to survive in the modern world, the company needs to have a purple cow, a remarkable idea, product or service that will differentiate themselves from competitors. So now, one thing is that if you already have a product or service, how can you make it more remarkable? तो जो आज की हम टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं, so doesn't matter what industry you are in, doesn't matter what business you are doing, whether it is product, whether it is service, this thing can make it remarkable for customers. Okay, तो you must be wondering कि क्या है ये क्या है, तो बताएंगे, मैं बताऊंगा कि ये ऐसी चीज क्या है. So now if you look at these companies, Tesla, you already know. So all of you also know about Airbnb, am I right? So Airbnb, world's biggest hotel that does not have any room.